Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make non-vegetarian sushi. First, let's prepare the sushi rice, which is crucial for great sushi. Use short-grain rice and rinse it well until the water is clear. Cook it with a 1 to 1.25 ratio of rice to water. After cooking, season the warm rice with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Gently fold the seasoning in, then let it cool to room temperature. Now, let's get our nori and fillings ready. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your cooled sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small strip at the top. For non-vegetarian options, consider fresh salmon, cooked shrimp, or even thinly sliced cooked chicken. Ensure your fillings are cut into uniform, manageable pieces for easy rolling. With your rice and fillings in place, it's time to roll. Arrange your non-vegetarian fillings horizontally across the rice, closer to the edge nearest you. Using the bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll it over the fillings, pressing down firmly to create a tight cylinder. Continue rolling, applying gentle, even pressure. Moisten the far edge of the nori with a little water to seal the roll completely. Finally, let's slice and serve your delicious non-vegetarian sushi. Use a very sharp, damp knife to cut the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping the knife with a damp cloth between each cut helps prevent the rice from sticking, ensuring clean, beautiful slices. Arrange your sushi on a platter and serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.